process photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, plant will synthesize their own food. During the process, plant uses carbon dioxide and water to make glucose, and oxygen molecule will be released. The equation of photosynthesis is 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water molecule will gives glucose molecule and oxygen will be released. Now during the process of photosynthesis, the plant have the cross section. We will observe the cross section of plant. In this figure we can see the dot like structure. These dots are chloroplast. Actually chloroplast has thylakoid. In this thylakoid they have chlorophyll pigment. Here we have the structure of cross section of leaf. In this figure we can see the cross section of leaf. The very first layer we can observe is waxy cuticle, which protect the leaf from external injuries. After that we can observe upper epidermis, the outermost layer of the leaf cell, leaf plant. Then after we can observe the mesophyll tissue. In this mesophyll tissue we can observe the dot like structure. This dot like structure are nothing but chloroplast, and in lower epidermis we can observe the gap. The space between the cell is known as stomata. So let us study the structure of chloroplast. Here we can see the image of chloroplast. In the image of chloroplast we can observe ball like structure which is known as thylakoid. This thylakoid have chlorophyll pigment present which trap the solar energy and convert it into the chemical energy. So what is stomata? Have a look. Stomata is a tiny pore present on the surface of leaves. Here we have a detailed figure of stomata present in a lower epidermis of leaf. Actually stomata जो है वो कैसे दिखेंगे, कुछ इस तरीके से दिखेंगे, right? Here the tiny pore observed is stomatal pore and kidney shaped cell observed surrounding it is a guard cell. Now what is the function of stomata? Stomata has mainly two functions. Number one, it can control gaseous exchange, that is वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और ऑक्सीजन की प्लांट के अंदर एंट्री या एग्जिट कंट्रोल करता है. Can also control the transpiration process which help the plant to absorb water from the roots. Now how the opening and closing of stomata is regulated. So in the process of opening and closing of stomata, the guard cell regulate the crucial role. When the guard cell has high salt level present in it, in such cases the water enter from surrounding into guard cell. If more water enter in the guard cell via the process of endoosmosis, then what happen? The guard cell become turgid. The guard cell जो होगा वो water से भर जाएगा and it will create more osmotic pressure on the guard cell. Due to osmotic pressure जो guard cell की wall होगी वो खींची रहेगी और stomatal pore open हो जाएगा. In opposite scenario what will happen? Let's see. During the when the stomata is open and a cell has enough amount of carbon dioxide, in that case what happen? The guard cell lost his salt will move from guard cell to surrounding, so the water moves from guard cell to the outer surrounding, so guard cell loses water. If guard cell loses water, then it become less turgid. So due to less turgidity, there is low osmotic pressure exert on the wall of guard cell, so stomatal pore remain closed. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.